If you don't have a product list but want to source what's already selling well on Amazon, this reverse search feature is a great place to start. While reverse search is often used to scan ASINs or product codes, you can also use it to explore Amazon bestsellers, movers and shakers, and most wished for pages, organized by category and updated regularly. This is a great option for when you don't have a specific list in hand, but still want to tap into what's performing well on Amazon right now. It's a simple way to spot trends, find high-demand products, and uncover fresh sourcing ideas based on what real customers are interested in. To get started, go to the reverse search page. Then, click Find Products in the top right corner of the screen. You'll be presented with 3 options. Choose your search type and where you want to source and sell products. Then, click Next Step. On the next screen, select Amazon as your source. This connects you directly to Amazon's curated product pages. From here, you'll choose the list you want to scan: bestsellers, movers and shakers, or most wished for. Once you've selected your list, choose the department you'd like to focus on, such as electronics or toys and games. You can narrow this down further by selecting a category and, if available, a subcategory for more precise targeting. Keep in mind, if you're scanning movers and shakers or most wished for, only department-level selection is available. Next, set your advanced settings under the department section. Here, you can customize the scan to better match your sourcing strategy. Start by adjusting for shipping, tax, or cashback using the price adjustments option. Then click Choose Websites to include or exclude specific retailers based on your preferences. You can also add additional filters to narrow down your results. All of these tweaks help tailor the scan to your goals. On the right side, you'll also see the option to name your search. This makes it easier to find later, especially if you are running multiple scans. Once everything is set, click Start Search. When the scan is complete, head to the results page to analyze the matches, apply any final filters, and save the leads that look promising.